problem that has no solution. When you force your children to be answering another man's name because you don't like so man, Kambage, there are ways we do divorce in Igbo tradition. There are ways we divorce wife in Igbo tradition. Divorce is not a one-man thing. That's why I'm telling you that you cannot use money to buy a human being. In the olden days, we don't use money. This one pay diary. You bring social money. We don't use money to do all those things that time. Even you give a gift in order to receive a wife. You don't pay money because you cannot buy. There must be gifts. There must be something you will bring. Not now that they will say, calculate everything in the money, let me pay. No, there are some things, there are goods that you need to buy from your village to come to my village, to marry my sister. You don't do everything in money. There are some drinks that you need to bring along. The drink need to come from your village. You don't pay money, they buy everything. What are the problems that has no solution? That is what we are saying now. That you may go to every native doctor to solve that problem and the problem will still be there. The problem will not be solved. Many of you are answering somebody's name that is not your father's name. Yes. Because your mother did not like that man that is your father. And your mother did not tell you the truth. Let me tell you. The person pregnant your mother, the person that pregnant your mother is not your father. Because you will now put me in the law, in the Nigerian law, your biological is counting blood. Spiritually, we count spirituality, not blood. Is somebody that pays your mother's diary, one who is here, somebody that did traditional marriage with your mother, that is your father. Any other thing you are doing is you are just doing politically in tradition. Tradition does not do politics. You are doing politics in tradition. Tradition does not do politics. Onye gola and go waiver the nana. This ones you are sending, let me pay back, I am divorcing, I don't do again. Or yeah, let me pay back the money you pay. You transfer money. They don't transfer diary. They don't use transfer to do divorce in Igbo culture. If you are part of the people that do transfer, or you take the money to the court, you take the money to the court and tell your husband to go and collect the money from the court. You did not divorce. You are not divorced. Your children is going to suffer from it. What are we teaching? My topic today is a problem that has no solution. Your problem, your children is going to have a problem that has no solution. Now, you give them, you go to the court to drop money. You tell your ex-husband, like as you said, to go and collect the money in the court. Or you do transfer. You say, oh, you collect your money and don't do again. Let me tell you, women does not return their bride price. Women can never return their bride price. The bride price was not paid into your account. You did not receive the bride price. Women does not eat money paid on their head. So you don't have right to return any money. Take the money if you are the one that has the money. Take it back to your father or your uncle or your brothers. Let them organize a meeting. How about they will take palm wine, go to their in-laws' house, and now do divorce properly, traditionally, the way it's supposed to be. You know the reason why I'm saying this. When my wife divorced me now, and my wife married another person, and started having babies for the person that she's married now for. Maybe the divorce part, she sent me my money back. Or they took my money to the court and tell me to go and collect my money there. And the person that is married to her now, she started having baby for her, for the person, for him. Do you know that those babies that she's having for that man